Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Wiwin Afrianti. I am a student at UIN Suskaryel, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, Program Studi Geography Education. So guys, with this video, let me tell you all about Earth undergoes two movements, namely rotation and evolution. Earth's rotation is the motion of the Earth rotating on its axis. The time it takes for the Earth to rotate on its axis is called the time of the Earth's rotation. Earth's rotation period is 23 hours 50 minutes 4 seconds. The time of rotation is known as 1 day. Some of the effects of the Earth's rotation include the following. The first, the occurrence of day and night. The part of the Earth facing the Sun will experience day, while the part of the Earth facing away from the Sun will experience night. The second is that there are time differences in various regions in Indonesia, consisting of two regions, namely Western Indonesian Time, Central Indonesian Time, and Eastern Indonesian Time, while the whole world is divided into 24 time zones. The third consequence is the apparent daily motion of the Sun. The daily motion of the Sun's sun seems to be moving around the Earth, when in fact the Earth is moving around the Sun. The fourth result is Allah. The deflection of the direction of the ocean currents. The direction of the ocean currents turning clockwise in the southern hemisphere, while in the northern hemisphere, the direction of the sea is counterclockwise. The fifth is the difference in the acceleration of gravity of the Earth. The shape of the Earth at both poles is oblate and expands at the equator. This condition results in the acceleration of gravity at poles being greater than at the equator. The second movement of the Earth is revolution. Earth revolution is the movement of the Earth around the Sun in its orbit. The time it takes the Earth to go around the Sun is called time of revolution, when the Earth's revolution is 365 and 4 days. Usually in 1 year is fulfilled to be 365 days. Then, this remainder is used to be collected in a year known as a leap year, until in a leap year the number of days in February is 29 days. Then, some of the consequences of the Earth's revolution include the following. The first, that there is a difference in the length of day and night in Indonesia. The time of day and night is almost the same. This is because Indonesia is located in the equator, while in areas that are close to the poles in winter the time will be shorter than night time. The opposite condition occurs in summer. The days will be longer than the night. The second is the change in the constellations in the sky will look different every month. This happens due to the revolution of the Earth. The constellations seen in the sky will look different from one time to another. The third is the apparent annual motion of the Sun. The apparent annual motion of the Sun can be observed through the position of the Sun in 1 year at a time. The Sun rises from the east slightly to the north at a time. The Sun rises from the east by moving south. The third result is that there are seasonal changes in Indonesia. which is located in the equator. So, it only has two seasons, namely the dry seasons and the rainy seasons. So guys, that's all things about revolution and rotation. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video will be useful for you all guys. Ta!